Number 3 is Snapmaker 3D printer. The Snapmaker A350T is a top-of-the-line 3D printer that offers exceptional performance in metal printing. Boasting a modular design, 3-in-1 innovation, and rock-solid construction, this printer is a reliable choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a build volume of 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters, the A350T offers a significant advantage over other printers, allowing for the production of large-scale prototypes without the need for file splitting. Its CAN-bus technology enables efficient and stable data transmission, making assembly, disassembly, and component changes a breeze. The all-metal body and high-precision repeatability of 0.005 millimeters enable the production of high-resolution prints, engravings, cuts, and carvings. The Snapmaker Luban software, with its 5-inch touchscreen and intuitive user interface, supports power loss recovery, fully open-source code, customized profiles, and multi-language options. It is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems and offers flexible job starting options via Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, or USB cable. The Snapmaker A350T is a professional-grade 3D printer that delivers exceptional results in metal printing. Its rock-solid machine construction, modular design, and customizable software interface make it a top pick for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance 3D printer for metal. If you want this printer, check out the link in the description box to get it. Number